To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Namaskar, I'm Harsha Sharma and you're watching SciTech, a show where we unravel the science behind everything. Superman, Spider-Man, X-Men. We all love these sci-fi movies where humans have superpowers. But superhumans are not confined to movies. We do have superhumans amongst us. Amazed? Watch this next video to know about the humans with supervision and what makes them superhumans.
Eyes are windows to the outer world. By allowing us to see marvels of the world, this organ is indeed what makes our life colorful and lively. While we can name only 100 or so different colors, as per scientists, our eyes can actually see and differentiate 1,000,000 colors. Isn't this intriguing? What is more intriguing is the fact that amongst us are the individuals who can distinguish 100 times more colors than an average individual can, making them superhumans with supervision. But how are these people able to see so many colors? To understand this, let's first understand how our eyes see various colors. Well, when light falls on an object, the object absorbs some of the light and reflects the rest. This reflected light enters our eyes and falls on the retina. The retina has specialized types of cells that capture the light that falls on it. One of these cells are cone cells, which respond to light. We have around 5 to 7 million cone cells in our cells. But all these cone cells are of three types: S cones, which absorb blue light, M cones, which absorb green light, and L cones, which absorb red light. In the humans with supervision, however, there are 4 cone cells instead of 3. Each cone cell allows us to see 100 different colors, and therefore 3 cone cells means 1,000,000 colors. Similarly, 4 cone cells means that a human will be able to see 100 million colors. What is astonishing is that this superpower is gender biased. One will find more females carrying this superpower than the males. And this is because the genes responsible for forming the cone cell is present on the X chromosome, and therefore females, which carry 2 X chromosomes, have more probability of carrying the supervision. Scientists suggest that around 12% of females carry this superpower. However, most of them don't know about this superpower. This is because most of the colors or paints being manufactured to color our world are by people who have 3 cone cells. And therefore, in a world where color is made by ordinary people, the people with 4 cone cells remain unknown to their secret power of perceiving more colors. Phew! Isn't it depressing to have a superpower and not know about it and carry on with life like an ordinary person? If you are a female, you better check out. The odds are 12% that you may have this superpower.
Imagine the food is being packed in the packages made up of cucumber peels instead of plastic. The peels, which you've discarded, will be useful as the packages. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Scientists of IIT Kharagpur have now discovered something interesting about the cucumber peels. Watch this report to know about it.
There were days when food used to be served or packed on leaves. But then, plastic changed everything. It became more convenient, and little did we know that convenience is very costly. It created a lot of problems by causing plastic pollution. But What if we have something in between, something which is convenient and is biodegradable as well? Scientists of IIT Kharagpur has done something in these lines. They have developed food packaging materials from cucumber peels to replace plastic. According to the researchers, cucumber peels have greater cellulose content than other peel waste. Cellulose nanocrystals derived from these peels can be used for making food packaging material, which is biodegradable and has low oxygen permeability, means less oxygen can pass through it, and hence food can survive for a longer duration. In India, cucumber is used as salads, pickles, vegetables, consumed raw or even in beverage industry, leading to a large volume of peel bio-waste, which is rich in cellulose content. Also, cucumber generates about 12% residual waste obtained after processing either the peels or whole slices as waste. The study showed the cellulose nanocrystals of cucumber peels have modifiable properties, which results in better biodegradability and biocompatibility. These nanocellulose materials have strong, renewable and economical material and possess properties like the high surface area to volume ratio, light in weight and excellent mechanical properties. Thereby, such nanocrystals, when reinforced as nanofillers in biocomposites films, can produce useful food packaging material.
Time to wrap up this episode of SciTech. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in. And do not forget to follow us on social media. Before we end, here's a fact of the day for you.
Color blindness can happen when one or more of the color cone cells are absent, not working, or detect a different color than normal. Males have much more probability of being colorblind than females.